back with another layout. And today I am going to use an older transparency. They were called placemats because it's thick. It's a thicker plastic that is almost the plastic that they used to use with clear placemats. So that is from KI Memories. It's the Sheer Delights Alphabet 1. This is a very old product. I'm thinking it goes back to 2013, 2015, maybe even before that. So then I mounted those two photos of my sister reading to her oldest grandson, and that is on the Photo Play School Days Back to School plaid paper there. He loves to read. Oh my gosh, this boy loves to read. So I thought it was fun to put it on kind of like an alphabet paper. And then I did find these little die cut banners that say read. They are from the Photo Play School Days ephemera die cuts. And then I'm going to pair those with this sticker here, this book sticker from Photo Play School Days, the Element stickers. And I like how these colors are really bright and bold and, you know, lots of not just primary colors, but just bright colors. And I'll put that at the corner here. And then I realized I probably should put the photo down before I start getting too much down here. Okay. That's all I'm doing is really just gluing this banner down. I did glue this to the background paper. I don't always do that. Sometimes I just insert a piece of white paper behind. Obviously, I want something white behind this, or you would end up seeing the back of whatever layout is next to it. So, you know, it's cool if you take it out because you just see the plane, but most people aren't going to take that out. So I did just glue those two things together. And that way it gives the, because the bottom of this is shaped as well of the placemat piece, it then just gives it a little bit more support, really. Okay, now I'm using some more die cuts here. And those pieces are from the Photo Play School Days ephemera die cuts as well, that bookworm and the read. And then I added that little ABC die cut. That was a piece that I cut off from another die cut from the Echo Park Back to School frames and tags. And now I'm looking for other things to use. So I'm just going through my LE Studio boxes of goodies. Those are die cuts, and they are cut aparts and labels, all that kind of good stuff. So kind of playing around with this, trying to decide, and I don't have complete decisions made here. I'm also looking for some kind of journaling piece. So I decided I want this blue piece, which is actually from a printable. LE Studios has a lot of awesome printables too on their website that you can get, and I will give you a clue to to get them now if you have something you want. But also look right after Thanksgiving, because they usually go on sale for like 50% off, and that's usually when I buy all mine because they're so inexpensive. And then that way, if you buy them, you have journaling spots forever. All right, then I did look through my little red pieces as well, and I found from LE Studios, I found this tab that said around here, and that reading thing goes on around their house all the time. So I added that in. And I don't remember. There we go. All right. I was just looking for some pieces to add kind of in as finishing touches. So I grabbed these LE Studio. These are the large stars, puffy star stickers, or the more colorful stars. And then the red stars there are the Bella Boulevard puffy star stickers, and they are the Macintosh mix is what they call their red. So I'm just going to pull in the colors. So I have a purple star, a yellow star, and then I'm going to add a green star. So I'm pulling in the bright colors from the layout in with the stars there. And I found a red one to go right there. One of the larger red ones. I was playing around with colors there a little bit and just decided to go red so that each of those stars that were on there are different colors. And I had not glued these down yet, so I'm just doing that. And like I said, just getting things glued down into the clusters now. The fun part. I did need to trim that out a little bit. Usually I just kind of cut them straight and don't worry so much until I'm actually ready to use them. And the banners, the read is going to serve as my title. There's just so much going on with all the letters in the background of this. I decided not to do anything other than that. So I'm just looking to see, do I want to maybe add in some of the smaller stars from that packet or change them a little bit? I was thinking about black because the black in the read is so prevalent. But then I decided I actually liked that the black in the read was so prevalent because it draws your eyes right to those photos. And my great nephew there is reading or is wearing a black shirt, so, or pajamas in this particular case. I happen to be here, so I was the one taking the pictures, so I knew what he's wearing anyway. But I like how that just draws your eye right to that section. So those are some of the little things you can do, is you can draw your eye to the photos by the color. Even as busy as that entire background is, you see that word read right away. So then your eyes go right to the photo behind it. So I'm just gluing down that placemat just a little bit more. Added in those red stars from Bella Boulevard as a little bit of an extra embellishment there as well. And then following will be the still shots and a couple of detail shots. So I hope you guys are all well. I will be back with another layout again soon. Bye, everybody.